I've chosen a stencil that I like, and I'm now spraying bright pink dye all over it. There we go, it's getting there. Now I'm going to lift off the stencil. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love that pattern. I'm now going to wax the areas I wish to keep pink and white in a pattern that I'm choosing, and I now paint blue dye all over the fabric. The areas I've waxed peek through because dye will not impregnate that wax. Nearly done. I'm now going to wax the areas I wish to keep pink and purple. There we go. And now I add my final colour, which is a very strong purple dye. And again, you can see my image beginning to peek through. Oh, I'm beginning to really like what I see. I take off excess dye. What's it going to look like? Oh, I'm delighted. I hope you like it too. Please do subscribe for more. Thank you.